Hello, hope everyone's well. It's 23rd of March 2025. This is the first ever video that I'm posting. So, for the first trade I'm looking at this week, I'm looking at gold because gold has come to this strong rejection area, strong resistance, and this is a 4 candlesticks that have been rejected back to back. I understand that it falling to this zone is like looking for liquidity to continue going up and all that, but well, it's Sunday and tomorrow is Monday. On the London session, I will see what is printing right here. If it breaks this zone right here, if it breaks it, I'll change my mind and I'll put on a buy trade to the upside. Something like this. If it doesn't, I'm selling and I will scale in, which is the one I'm more biased to is the fact that I think it's going to sell. So that's the first trade setup on gold. The second setup is on oil. I'm waiting for it to break this region right here. Yeah, create a new high and then come back. I will enter on retest, of course. And honestly, on oil, I think it's gonna go up pretty high because this was on a strong downtrend market, but now it came, changed structure down here. It looks like what's going on? Oh, alright, looks like it came down here, formed a strong support zone, and it consolidated around here for a while. This is usually, I forgot the name. Is it accumulation phase? Yeah. And then it broke out of that region right here. It broke out. This was a test though. It broke out, came back, and then broke out, and then came to retest around here. And that actually, if I had seen it sooner in the week that passed, I would have entered on that trade. So the fact that I did not catch it back then, I'm looking to catch it now. So now we broke out of this strong support zone. And now the fact that we are heading up like this, I'm looking to enter here on a retest. I'm not gonna be in a rush to catch it and chase the trade. No, I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna wait for it to come back to my retest area. If it does that, bet. If it doesn't, I'm not forcing any trade this week. Third trade I'm looking at is GJ. On GJ though, I'm conflicted because yes, we have in the past few weeks or the past few days, it has just been climbing up and up. But it came to this zone, retested it twice, and then it closed. The last 4-hour candlestick closed with a bullish engulfing. I don't know. I'm just having doubts about where this thing is going to go next. But in order for me to have a bit of confidence, I needed to break this region right here, this area of resistance. A second. I needed to break this area of resistance right here. If it breaks this area and goes up, I'm looking for buys, no question asked. And of course, I'm going to enter on retest right here. If it does not break that region, I won't have a problem looking for sells. But right now, I'm just going to watch, no trades at all. On the third trade I'm looking at, why do I keep mixing the numbers up? On the fourth trade I'm looking at, it's US 30, the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones was on a strong downtrend, as you can see here. But now it came, found a head and shoulders. Let me mark all this up in the 4-hour. And then broke out of this region. This is a strong break. Came back down to retest that resistance that it broke on the head and shoulders. And then now it's going up a bit. But also, just like the GJ trade, I'm skeptical about where it's going to go. But this one, I'm more about catching a sell here. And I will be convinced about the sell if price fails to break this area. See this? If price fails to break this area, I will be looking for trades to the downside until this region, because then here I think it's gonna, or until this region right here. Here I think it's gonna now have a chance to go up, depending on, of course, what the market does. But these are just my speculations. I hope nobody trades based on these. It's just a speculation at the end of the day. Do your own research. I am not here to advise you on what trade to take this week. So if it breaks this region, I'm looking for buy trades. If it does not, I'm looking for sell trades. And that's basically it. And then the last trade, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, on Euro USD. Usually when I see this bullish Arami, I don't like it. I want to see something else. So I'll just watch her. Even after I've put this trade thing, no, I'm not. I'm just gonna watch this market. Honestly, I'm not gonna place any trade until it gives me a reason to enter the trade. Also, based on the daily time frame, there's a very strong resistance area. So price needs a bit of strength. It needs to seek strength. It needs to seek liquidity before it breaks this area and continues up. Anyways, that's it on trades by Panther. But I wish everybody a successful week, and I wish you, Panther, a successful week. And the reason I'm creating this, I'm recording all of this, is to hold myself accountable. I'm not here to give you what trades are gonna happen and what trades are not gonna happen. I'm here to just record this as a form of self accountability because I'm really lacking in that area. And all the trade setups I've seen, all the trade setups that I've shown you guys, if they come to be, I'm gonna set and forget. I'm not exiting a trade unless the market gives me a good reason to enter, or unless it hits TP or stop loss. And that's basically it. Week 13, let's see how it goes.